Hello and welcome to Deep Tech Leads podcast. I'm Gold Riz representing Business Oulu. In this podcast, we explore the latest initiatives and technologies that are shaping Oulu's tech scene. Have you ever wondered what kind of digital services could make your life easier in Oulu? Or what if the data that are already collected in our city, like mobility data, urban data, or weather data, could come back to you as a better service? These are the topics that we are going to dig deeper in our today's episode with my guest Ari Saine, Smart City Manager at the City of Oulu. Today we are going to talk about CitizenCity project, one of our initiatives in Business Oulu. So, welcome to the show, Ari.
Thank you for inviting me in, Goldrich.
That's great.
Nice to be here, and hello everybody.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah, let's go.
Perfect. Could you explain in simple word what is this CitizenCity project and why Oulu is a part of it?
The CitizenCity project is a European co-funded project, and it's funded by the European Data Space for Smart Communities. And Oulu has been applying this a couple of times, and we were accepted in the second round. So, nice thing to have. Our partners are the municipality of Eindhoven from the Netherlands, and then there's Mobility Lab Vitoria-Gasteiz from Spain, Fontus, which is a University of Applied Sciences in Netherlands, and then this Eindhoven University of Technology. Yes.
All right, that was clear, Ray, thank you. And what exactly is happening in Oulu pilot, especially around the housing fair, Asuntomessu area? What is happening over there?
The main question in the Oulu pilot is that what data citizens want to use from their neighborhood, maybe to improve their quality of life and maybe have a sustainable behavior in the future. So, and maybe also what answers can data space approach offer in this one. In Oulu, we have started with a couple of data sets. We have energy consumption data, wastewater data, water consumption data, public traffic data, and traffic data. And maybe some new data sets will come later. And in Oulu case, our user interface will be Oulu chatbot, it's called OuluBot, and maybe chosen digital twin.
Good. There would be some other question that I can ask regarding your answer, but for now, we already shared a survey through the Asuntomessu, and we got almost 80 answers.
Yeah.
Based on that, what are the key things citizens expect or want from a smart city?
I have to check on my notes for that one, but let's pick something up. First of all, people wanted data about traffic, up-to-date information on traffic. That is a clear one. Energy consumption was mentioned. People want data from services, location of services, scope, opening hours, and so on. People want data from events. And maybe some environmental data about their neighborhood, for example, air quality, water quality, weather data, and that kind of environmental data. And people want it real time. And we were also asking about the use of chatbots because personally, I don't like chatbots. But we were asking,
honestly, me neither.
But we were asking people if they like, and we got surprisingly good answers, because 2 out of 3 people said that it's a good thing, chatbot. It's a good way of giving services, and so that's good for us, of course, as a city. And then we were also asking about the use of digital twins. That was not so familiar thing.
That makes sense.
Yeah, absolutely. And also asking about how people want their digital services. And they said that kind of a one-stop shop would be good. So kind of one application that city would offer. Would it be, for example, Oulu app or something like that?
Rather
that
than
could be
having
answer.
different applications.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think that was interesting to hear exactly what actually people want. And I think regarding that digital twin that you mentioned, I think now it is our role to kind of to articulate clearly what is this project about. This is not just about technology. It's about like how we can create services that truly matter to people. So this was like when we are talking about digital twin, maybe we need to talk more about that and articulate it in a way that people could understand.
Absolutely.
So the project is all about using data space, like data space approach. What does that mean for ordinary people? How can it improve services in their day-to-day life?
Okay, it's a kind of a decentralized way of exchanging data. The data can be owned, stored, and exchanged in the safe, trusted way using data spaces. So it's a kind of a decentralized way of exchanging data. Yes. So you can say that you own your own data and you can share it in a safe way, because now kind of the big players own the data and they make all the rules. In data spaces, the power is given to the people. You can say that in a maybe clear way. You have a total control of your own data, and we are not yet there. But maybe using this approach, these technologies, we can take a step to go towards that direction.
And I think it's also connected to the bigger European discussions like Gaia X and Data Act.
Absolutely. Those are the drivers. Those are the kind of European initiatives to make this happen.
Okay, who are the main partners in Oulu pilot, and how can different stakeholders still contribute to shaping it?
Of course, we will have more surveys, we will have workshops, and of course, you can contact me. That's the possibilities. The stakeholders, of course, the City of Oulu is one. Yes, the citizens providing data, using data. From the technological perspective, we have the VTT. Is a national research organization in Finland. They kind of give us the blueprints. They give us the rules for the Oulu data spaces. This is one of those. We have other one also running. It's called the water data space. It's related to water issues. Then University of Oulu may make some research maybe in the future. Then of course there's data providers like the Oulun Energia, so Oulu Energy Ltd. Our waste company, Kiertokaari, Oulu Water Company, the City of Oulu Public Transportation Services, and so on. So there's different data sources, so they are data providers. And of course, we have some companies giving us services related to data issues.
It is great to see this collaboration, and I think like whenever we go forward, we can have more partners within this project.
Absolutely. Yes.
So we are now in the implementation phase of this project. What are the next steps, and how can citizens or companies stay involved?
The next step is we are making technological definitions right now. So maybe the next step is to make this thing run technologically, and that will happen during the spring. But before that, there will be stakeholder engagement through workshops, surveys, and means like this. So we will be engaging the stakeholders.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Ari. That was a great conversation. I'm so thankful for your time.
Thank you, Coleridge. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. As I mentioned before, the CitizenCity project is more than just about technology. It's about how we can build services that truly matter for our citizens. So we already got so many good inputs throughout the surveys in Asuntomesto, in housing fair areas. But there would be other opportunities for us to hear your voice. As Ari mentioned, we are going to plan in upcoming weeks. We are going to plan a couple of workshops. So please join us. We are going to mention the date in our social media. So please join us and let's co-create our future smart city together. See you in the next episode.